Now, one of the things that's been key to the adoption of cloud as a model, and to, for that matter, any of the technology innovations that have happened in the last few years, is that trusted advisors, the world's reputable systems integration partners, have very much been in the lead in making people comfortable with this and productive with this. I'm joined now by Saideep Raj, Global Cloud Practice Lead for Accenture. And Saideep, at Dreamforce, you folks told me something that blew me away. I've quoted it many times since then, that in a year when we were very happy to be growing 38%, your cloud practice grew 100%. That seems to me to be a validation of the strategic role that this is having in your customers' companies.
Yeah, that's absolutely right. But Peter, this wave is tremendous, the kind of growth that we're seeing across our clients. And when I talk to the C-suite executives of these organizations, they're actually starting to look at new ways that they can drive growth in their businesses using these types of technologies. And what I hear is a common theme around customer experience, how they want to improve the customer experience. But it's a twist because, the interesting thing is that it used to be very linear. A customer entering a channel used to stay there, either a salesperson or a call center on the web. Well, now, in this kind of connected, social-enabled world, that's not linear at all. It's non-linear. It's absolutely kind of these expectations of a seamless experience. And what we call it is the non-stop customer experience. And so that's what these organizations are trying to move towards. How do you engage the non-stop customer?
Well, I've been struck by some of the things that people are doing to convey the reality of this to people. Selling traditional IT has been very much about speeds and feeds. We're going to make your systems X% faster, X% more capacity, whatever. And that's the kind of conversation you can have off of a spec sheet and a whiteboard. But to get this, you need things like the social media command centers that we've had at places like Consumer Electronics Show. And you at Accenture are building cloud experience centers where people can kind of come in and see what their workplace could be with these kind of systems. That's got to be a really interesting thing to try.
Oh, absolutely. These centers really bring it to life. I think that's important. I don't know if any of you saw the kind of Davos summit that they had, and that social wall kind of really brought it to life around the collaboration that group was having. So those are the types of things that we're seeing many organizations now kind of start to move towards.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, Saideep.